Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shraddha and hope you all are doing well and keeping safe yourselves. And this video is about a little haul which I recently bought from the Momoso store. So people who are watching me for the first time, I just want to introduce myself to them that hi, I'm Shraddha and I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle and fashion and traveling also. So without wasting any time, let's just begin with the video. So this video is related to a little haul which I recently purchased from Momoso store, and this store is in city center Dera. So last week I went there and I picked up some cute stuff from there. So I just want to share my experience with you guys. So guys, this is what I bought from the Momoso store, and let me tell you guys, this is from the Korea and I picked up around 8 products from them. So I'll show you one by one what I picked up from that. The first product, which is a makeup mirror with storage box. So actually this is very convenient and practical for me if I want to store some stuff also with my makeup mirror, and it is very easy to carry with your travel bag. So I'll show you how it looks. First of all, it is very secured and packed with this bag also. So it looks like this. It's in a pista color and I really like the color also. So this is the mirror, it looks like this, and this is the container also, so you can keep your stuff inside it, and also you can place it like this if you are doing makeup. And actually I really bought it because I don't have any mirror and I just want to do my brows while I'm doing makeup videos. So this is very cute and convenient for me, and it is also very reasonable, so I bought it from there. So this is the first one. So my second product is a very cute umbrella. I bought this umbrella because it's very hot here, only the sunscreen can't help you, so I was just really needed this. So this is very cute umbrella. I'll show you guys the size of this umbrella. See? Okay. Now this is such a big umbrella because I thought with the packaging, I thought this is very short and small. So I love pink, so I bought this. So I'll just keep it aside and let you know all about the other products. So if I talk about my third product, it's just a round barrel hairbrush. It looks like this. I don't really blow dry my hair, but yes, I just want to sometimes if I'm going to party or else, so I just bought it for that reason. So this is such a cute static free brush. I just don't want to invest in Vega brushes or something very expensive because I really don't use it at all. So I just bought it for some party reason or someday. So I really found it very cute, and it is very reasonable. I'll mention the price in my screen. So this is the third product I bought. The fourth product is nothing but it's an eye palette, and people who know me, they know that I really don't do eye makeup, but yes, I want to start eye makeup because I am doing makeup videos for Instagram and YouTube also. So I got some requests for doing eye makeup also. The reason I'm not doing eye makeup because my eyelids are very sensitive and sometimes it peels also. So I really don't do eye makeup, but I guess I'm gonna start. And I also have a Nykaa palette, eye makeup palette, eyeshadow palette, which has 10 colors, so it look like that only. So I just like it, so I'll just show you how it looks. So this palette looks like this. This exactly look like the Nykaa in it. And also they have given this brush. This is so cool and very cheap. So I like it. So this is the fourth one, and the fifth product I bought, this is related to eyeshadow only. I bought this eyeshadow brush also. So this is the brush, guys. You can see this the brush hairs are very soft. I really like it, and once I just tried it like this on my hand, so I found it very nice and soft. So, and also this is not too expensive. So my sixth product is these three cute nail colors. I really don't apply that much nail colors, because if you can see in my hands, I don't really apply my nail colors. I have mostly get done it with salon. So yeah, I really found it very cute, and these three colors are very cute and unique also. So that's why I bought these three nail colors. So this is the sixth product, and the seventh product is none other than a sanitizer. जब से ये कोरोना आया है, sanitizer is the most important sanitizer. I really found it very cute, and though I don't trust the sanitizer which is it inside, but yes, I found this bottle very. The smell is very nice. I guess I must say the smell is very nice. But yes, I really don't trust these kind of sanitizers, so I bought it because I'll just refill it with my Dettol or Lifebuoy sanitizer. So yeah, I really like it and I bought it. So this is the last product which I have. So totally I bought. So guys, this is it, and I bought these cute products from the Momoso stores. And if you want more descriptions, you can comment below and tell me if you want to know about more things about it. And hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, if you want to see more videos and more reviews and hauls, you can comment, like, share and subscribe. And guys, till then, bye bye, see you. Please take care, stay home and stay safe.